Is your Orlando roof ready for hurricane season? Hurricane season is here, and waiting until a storm is headed toward Orlando could be too late. Start with a professional roof inspection. A trained roofer can spot problems you may never see from the ground, like loose shingles, cracked tiles, damaged flashing, or early signs of leaks. Pay special attention to vulnerable areas, flashing around vents and skylights, ridge caps and hip lines, loose shingles or tiles, and your soffit and fascia. These areas can become weak points when high winds hit. Then look beyond the roof. Trim branches that hang over your home. Clean your gutters and downspouts, and secure anything in your yard that could become a dangerous projectile. Before the storm, document your roof's condition. Take clear, date-stamped photos, and keep your latest inspection report. You may also want to ask about a wind mitigation inspection. And finally, have a trusted local roofer ready before the storm hits. Get ahead of hurricane season with a professional roof inspection from True Roofing and Construction. Call us today for your free estimate.